The rumor mill is churning again, and many people are now wondering if dancehall artist Spice has found a new man. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today me just have little mix up figure, me see it I go on the internet, and I thought I would take it and set it down right here for my subscribers. Yes, we're family, so when we get the little sauce, me have to share it. And from the title, you know exactly what it is. So before we get into the video, please like and share, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do so, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos. Yes guys, the latest speculation is that Spice might have found a new man, and this came about because of a picture that has been circulating on the internet. A picture with Spice and Justin Bud. Who is Justin Bud? Well, he is the executive producer and director of photograph for J Bud Media Incorporation. Yes guys, in this picture that was shared on a popular blog on Monday night, the two were very close, and it appears as if they were kissing, but Spice's hand was covering his mouth, so we're not too sure what is going on. So we don't know if it's a promotional stunt or if it's real. Anyway, Spice's hand was covering their mouth, and the gentleman's hand was placed firmly on her buttocks. It appeared like this was a recent picture, because if you watch her latest performance in New Jersey about a week ago, you would have seen that it is the same outfit she was wearing. So we assume recently this picture was taken. Anyway, despite the closeness of how things might look, and it look like them a kiss, nobody is sure if it's a relationship. We just a guess and spell. Social media person was saying, knowing how Spice full of style, me still not convinced this is her partner. Me feel she a pull off a stunt. Right? So even though the picture surface, Spice is yet to respond, although there has been several posts on our Instagram since then. So we all speculating. We don't know. So comment below and tell me what you think, or if you have more information than me, just tell me about it. But for now, we just speculate, and yes, we are fast in a Spice business. So until there is further update, or if more things surface, it's time out on this one for me. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.